Number 1. Play cricket. It means to participate in the sport of cricket.
He likes to play cricket on weekends. He likes to play cricket on weekends. They play cricket at the local club. They play cricket at the local club. Many children in India play cricket. Many children in India play cricket.
Number 2. Play bitterly. It means to play with intense negative emotions.
They played bitterly after the controversial call. They played bitterly after the controversial call. The teams played bitterly in the final game. The teams played bitterly in the final game. He played bitterly against his former team. He played bitterly against his former team.
Number 3. Go cycling. It means to ride a bicycle as an activity.
She goes cycling in the park often. She goes cycling in the park often. We go cycling every Sunday morning. We go cycling every Sunday morning. Let's go cycling along the river tomorrow. Let's go cycling along the river tomorrow.
Number 4. Cyclist dismount. It means a command for cyclists to get off their bicycles.
Sign says, cyclists dismount at the crossing. Sign says, cyclists dismount at the crossing. Cyclists dismount when entering crowded areas. Cyclists dismount when entering crowded areas. At the bridge, all cyclists must dismount. At the bridge, all cyclists must dismount.
Number 5. Defeat a team. It means to win a competition against another team.
Our school team defeated their rivals yesterday. Our school team defeated their rivals yesterday. They aim to defeat the champion team. They aim to defeat the champion team. We defeated the visiting team last night. We defeated the visiting team last night.
Number 6. Deny charges. It means to state that accusations are not true.
The accused man denied all charges in court. The accused man denied all charges in court. She denied the charges of theft. She denied the charges of theft. He firmly denied the charges against him. He firmly denied the charges against him.
Number 7. Deny a rumor. It means to state that a rumor is not true.
The celebrity denied the rumors about her. The celebrity denied the rumors about her. Management quickly denied the rumors of bankruptcy. Management quickly denied the rumors of bankruptcy. They denied the rumors of their breakup. They denied the rumors of their breakup.
Number 8. Strongly deny. It means to deny something with a lot of force and clarity.
The politician strongly denied the allegations. The politician strongly denied the allegations. He strongly denied any involvement in the scandal. He strongly denied any involvement in the scandal. She strongly denied the accusations in a statement. She strongly denied the accusations in a statement.
Number 9. Deserve to win. It means to merit victory due to effort or quality.
They played well and deserved to win. They played well and deserved to win. After all her hard work, she deserves to win. After all her hard work, she deserves to win. The team deserves to win the championship. The team deserves to win the championship.
Number 10. Destroy building. It means to demolish or ruin a structure completely.
The fire destroyed the building last night. The fire destroyed the building last night. War can destroy buildings and homes. War can destroy buildings and homes. The earthquake destroyed many buildings downtown. The earthquake destroyed many buildings downtown.
Number 11. Destroy the countryside. It means to damage natural areas outside of cities severely.
Pollution can destroy the countryside. Pollution can destroy the countryside. Illegal logging destroyed the countryside quickly. Illegal logging destroyed the countryside quickly. Building factories may destroy the countryside. Building factories may destroy the countryside.
Number 12. Develop AIDS. It means to become sick with AIDS, an immune system disease.
He developed AIDS after contracting HIV. He developed AIDS after contracting HIV. In those regions, many sadly develop AIDS. In those regions, many sadly develop AIDS. Awareness can help prevent developing AIDS. Awareness can help prevent developing AIDS.
Number 13. Develop a friendship. It means to gradually form a friendly relationship.
They developed a friendship at school. They developed a friendship at school. I developed a deep friendship with my colleague. I developed a deep friendship with my colleague. We developed a friendship over summer camp. We developed a friendship over summer camp.
Number 14. Develop a taste for. It means to begin to like a specific food, drink, or style.
She developed a taste for Italian food. She developed a taste for Italian food. He recently developed a taste for jazz music. He recently developed a taste for jazz music. I've developed a taste for spicy food. I've developed a taste for spicy food.
Number 15. Wind dies down. It means when the wind becomes less strong.
The wind dies down at sunset. The wind dies down at sunset. After the storm, the wind died down. After the storm, the wind died down. Wait to sail until the wind dies down. Wait to sail until the wind dies down.
Number 16. Strongly disapprove of. It means to disagree with something very much.
I strongly disapprove of cheating. I strongly disapprove of cheating. They strongly disapprove of the new policy. They strongly disapprove of the new policy. My parents strongly disapprove of skipping school. My parents strongly disapprove of skipping school.
Number 17. Dry hair. It means hair that lacks moisture and feels rough.
Dry hair needs special shampoo. Dry hair needs special shampoo. She treats her dry hair with conditioner. She treats her dry hair with conditioner. In winter, my hair becomes very dry. In winter, my hair becomes very dry.
Number 18, dry skin. It means skin that lacks moisture and may be flaky.
Cold weather often causes dry skin. Cold weather often causes dry skin. He uses lotion for his dry skin. He uses lotion for his dry skin. Dry skin can be itchy and uncomfortable. Dry skin can be itchy and uncomfortable.
Number 19, go climbing. It means to engage in the sport of climbing.
We will go climbing this weekend. We will go climbing this weekend. She loves to go climbing in the mountains. She loves to go climbing in the mountains. They go climbing to improve their strength. They go climbing to improve their strength.
Number 20, news comes in. It means to receive new information or updates.
As news comes in, we'll update you. As news comes in, we'll update you. News comes in about the election results. News comes in about the election results. They waited as the news came in. They waited as the news came in.
Number 21, do activities. It means to engage in various tasks or hobbies.
We do fun activities on the weekend. We do fun activities on the weekend. They do activities together to stay active. They do activities together to stay active. Let's do some activities in the park today. Let's do some activities in the park today.
Number 22, do archery. It means to participate in the sport of shooting arrows.
He wants to do archery this summer. He wants to do archery this summer. They do archery at the local sports club. They do archery at the local sports club. She started to do archery as a hobby. She started to do archery as a hobby.
Number 23, do the cooking. It means to prepare meals.
I'll do the cooking tonight, don't worry. I'll do the cooking tonight, don't worry. He does the cooking on weekends. He does the cooking on weekends. She's doing the cooking for the party. She's doing the cooking for the party.
Number 24, do a course. It means to enroll in and attend a specific class or program.
She's going to do a course in photography. She's going to do a course in photography. They decided to do a course together. They decided to do a course together. I did a course on Italian cooking last year. I did a course on Italian cooking last year.
Number 25, do a degree. It means to study for and complete a university qualification.
He's doing a degree in biology. He's doing a degree in biology. She decided to do a degree in marketing. She decided to do a degree in marketing. Many students do a degree abroad. Many students do a degree abroad.